Welcome to the Caine and Weiner CW Connect online tutorial. Once you've established an account with Caine and Weiner, you will receive via email your login, password, and client number. It's important to note that each of these items are case sensitive. We'll start by going to www.caine-weiner.com, which will take you to the Caine and Weiner homepage. At the top of this screen, there are several tabs. The third one down should be Client Access. Choose this one and then go down to CW Connect. From here, you will input the information you received with your login. As you can see from your screen, you have the option to do an inquiry, reports, uploads, placements, and messaging. Let's start with inquiry. Simply click on the tab and your accounts will come up. Put your cursor over the account you choose and click. This will take you directly to that account's file. The information shown here is live, and as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, it shows you what branch that account is being worked out of, the branch phone number, your client ID, the C&W ID, the amount assigned, amount collected, current balance, date assigned, last payment, status, etc. At the top of the information, you will have tabs. The first tab will give you combined notes, which will give you all the information that is on the individual tabs. Transactions will show you transactions on the account. Correspondence is correspondence such as letters, etc. Comments are comments from the collector and or manager. Miscellaneous is miscellaneous information such as the credit report, credit ran on the account, etc. Online activity is any online activity that has been attached to the account. And attachments would be copies of documents or any other attachment that have been assigned to that account. Right above this, you have several options of running or reporting a payment, and you can also edit an account. As you can see, there is a red X by cancel an account because no one except for a manager within Caine and Weiner has the authority to cancel an account. If you would like to do so, you simply send via a message that you would like to close the file with a reason. A manager will review and then close the file. You also have the option of attaching documents from the screen and printing the screen. You can also run reports from your CW Connect login. If you would like to do this, click on your Reports tab at the top of the screen. From here, you will be given options of multiple reports that are already programmed. You can run a cancellation report or an all files report. All files is typically the tab that most clients will choose, which will give you an entire inventory of all your accounts. From this point, you can export it to an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, a PDF file, etc. Or if you would like to see the notes on a particular account, you just highlight that account and then double click. Once you do so, it will take you back to the screen where we were previously showing you all the notes, etc. As you can see here, this is your full inventory, self-explanatory with your client ID, CW, name, status, status description, etc. We also have the option of running a Stair-Step history report. This is also known as the waterfall or drop-down. This will give you all the information over time. So it shows you a batch placed at a particular month and year, the number of accounts placed, dollars placed, adjustments, net placed, etc. It also shows you the average and over time what the recovery rate would be, or the recovery percentage, what we also refer to as liquidation. Your standard history report is very similar. This also gives you the month, number placed, collection percentage, gross percentage, commissions, etc. All of these reports can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet for easy use. Now, if you don't find the report that you would like to run from these options, you can simply click Create New Report in the top corner. This will give you the option of several queries. We're going to walk through step by step. Under Displayed Fields on the right, all of these are already included in your report. On the left, you have options which you can choose additionally. What you would do is highlight the one you would like. So we'll highlight Address To. Go to the arrows in the center between the two boxes and click. This will move it over to the right in the displayed fields box. You can also remove unwanted information from the box on the right with the same action. You just highlighted the unwanted information, so current balance, and using arrows to center, in the center, just move the box to the left. Now all of these will be ran when you run the report. So let's follow the next step at the top. So step 2 is include clients. This is if you have multiple client codes. A lot of our clients will have both commercial and consumer files. We separate those. You can either run one or the other or both. You would simply move the account you don't want back over to the left, choose the account you do want, and then move it to the right. Then you'll go to the next step, which is actually directly below this. Here you have a choice of statuses. Some clients only want to run a particular status on an account. So again, you choose the status you want. So we'll do bankruptcy here. Move it to the box on the right, and these are the statuses that will run on the report. Now follow the next step at the top. Now you have additional filter options. At this point, you can choose to run by date, date assigned, date placed, acknowledgement, etc. All of these options are what you have. Just click add here, and you can also choose what it's equal to, or if it's not, the value. Here's where you choose the date placed. Here's where you pick the time placed. You can run by address. Whatever you choose, you can set up your account that way and then set your values, being your date. You want to run placements from one particular date to another, you just simply choose those dates. If you would like to save this report, move on to step 4. Here you can choose your sorting. If you'd like to sort it by name alphabetically, or if you would like to choose by address, or however you'd like to sort it, you have that option shown here. You can also choose ascending or descending order if you'd like. If you'd also like to save this report for future use, continue to step 5 and check the box. Here you would hit save report, name your report, and then in the future you can come back and run this report with a simple single click. Now run your report. On my screen it will show an error. As you can see on your screen, it will give you the option of running this report in an Excel spreadsheet format. It's only showing me this since this is a demo version. That should take you through your basic uses for CW Connect. If you have additional questions or additional needs, please feel free to reach out to your sales representative. Thank you for choosing Caine and Weiner.